find a way to block it. I go la 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 la.
Hello and welcome to another one of my tutorials. Here we're going to be going on about how to make your clip intros or your beginnings of your videos. So how to make intros using Panzoid. So first off we need to load up the website, so this website here, which is www.panzoid.com. Once you've loaded that, you'll have to log in here. I've already logged in, as you can see. So now we need to go over to Clipmaker. So if we click here on Clipmaker, and then just wait for that just to load there. Now once that's loaded, you will see that it's now here. This is the basics of Panzoid. So this is how you do your free intros. I'm going to just select one just here quickly, just to show you quickly. So we'll just select this one just now. So you'll see it's loading. Now once it's loaded, you've got it here. So it's 3D, as you can see. So this is the editing. Now to actually view it and to play it, you'll need to click toggle render preview. So then that changes it to how the sort of, not customer, but how the person will actually view it, whoever's watching your YouTube video live. So here it is. Okay, and then if you want something like a subscribe one, you can click that, it'll render it, it'll load it up. So again, you click on the little eye and then you click play for play, and then it's the thanks for watching. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. But as you can see, you can edit them on here. So what will happen then is, if you want to edit the text that's on each one, so if we just pick just a nice, easy, simple one like this one here, so we'll render this one. So how to edit them once you've got them. So here we are. So I'll just drag this around just so we can see. It says name here, yeah. Now what we'll need to do is we'll need just to click this little icon here, the little square rectangle, so objects, yeah. Then we need to go down to wherever it says name. Let's just find it. We'll say it. There we go. So now to edit them, we'll just click on down here in the group, and we type in, say for instance, I'm going to just use Dan or Dan G. So now we need to click on group, click on the next one, do the same for this. So do the same for each one. Until they're all done, because there is multiple layers to do. And then the next one's already done, funnily enough, so we can just go through that, but again do the same there. And then here we're going to be going and putting and remember to do it for each layer, otherwise you'll end up with a funky looking character instead of what it's actually meant to look like. So let's just keep going through. Oh, that one's been left as an M because I didn't click in the right place. You need to click out the box, then click on to the next one. Okay, and then if we carry on scrolling down, a bit too much. With some there's less, with some there's more. This one's got quite a few layers to be fair. So here we go, down G. So we're just going to do G there. Yep, so now once we've done that, we can just press the view to see how they'll view it.
So they walk you out.
Okay, so there we have it. Now, what we need to do next is to export it. Now, to export these, we need to go down to download, which is located here. Click on that. Then after that, we'll leave this as balanced. You can, depending on the quality that you want, but I leave it on balance personally. Now, we can change it, but I leave it as MKV, which is the file format, and then we click Start Video Render. Now here it will be calculating the time. It could take anywhere from a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your broadband connection and also the rendering image that you've actually done or designed. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to download. So sometime later, and we've still got 1 minute to wait. Okay, I'll just fast forward it now again, just so that means then we get there a bit quicker. So 15, 13, 12, we're getting there. Just pause, fast forwards just again. Okay, so a few seconds to go now, and then we'll be moving on to the next step. So here we're going to click download your video. Okay, so we're going to click download video. Once you've clicked this, what will happen is it'll show you here. And just off screen, it's going to just pop up just in a moment. Okay, so it's now downloaded. Here we go. I'm just moving it into view for you, and we'll just click play. 1 second.
Soon it won't be long.
Okay, so now as you've seen, that's how you download an intro. And then what we'll do is we'll just on our next video we'll show you how to get that onto onto iMovie. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Do remember to like the video and also subscribe to our channel.
My heart can't stop it. I find a way to block it. I go la 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 la.